Have you noticed something interesting? One of the past few weeks, India has been signing one major technology partnership after another. Japan, Indonesia, and almost every agreement has one thing in common: artificial intelligence. This is India's global AI mission, a nation signing the future one partnership at a time. Let's break it down. First, understand this: AI isn't just chatbots anymore, it's becoming the foundation underneath entire economics. Agriculture, healthcare, education, finance, cybersecurity, manufacturing. Countries now treat AI the way they once treated electricity on the internet, as a strategic infrastructure. And that's exactly why nations are racing to wire themselves into this new network. It runs on data centers processing information around the clock, fiber networks moving that data at the speed of light, and satellites linking it all together planet wide. Let's start with Japan. In July 2026, India and Japan held their 16th annual summit and walked away with a sweeping set of AI, semiconductor, and defense agreements. Japan brings precision hardware engineering and decades of chip fabrication expertise, such as robotics, semiconductors, automation. That's Japan's edge. Now, India's side of equation, a booming tech hub in cities like Bangalore, one of the largest software engineering workspaces on the planet, and a digital backbone proven at massive scale. India's UPI payment system alone processes tens of billions of transactions every single month, a massive digital economy ready to scale globally. Put these two together and something powerful happens. Japan's precision hardware, India's software talent, together they are targeting close to $70 billion in combined AI and semiconductor investment. Building secure, sovereign AI systems neither country could build alone. Two nations, one shared future. Now let's talk about Indonesia. In July 2026, during Prime Minister Modi's state visit to Jakarta, both nations reaffirmed their comprehensive strategic partnership, spanning AI, digital commerce, defense, and maritime cooperation. Multiple agreements were signed in that single visit alone, including Indonesia adopting a digital commerce model built on India's own ONDC architecture. So what does this actually look like on the ground? Start with agriculture. AI can scan crops and catch disease before it spreads, predict weather risk, optimize irrigation before a single crop is wasted. In healthcare, AI is already reading medical scans faster than ever, spotting patterns in genomic data no human eye could catch, diagnosing faster, treating sooner. In education, AI tutors are personalizing how millions of students learn, adapting in real time to how each student actually learns best, even breaking language barriers with live translation. None of this works without the infrastructure underneath it. This is why cybersecurity is now treated as a national priority, not an afterthought. Every one of these systems has to stay connected, secure, and always on. Here is the real question: why doesn't every country just build all of this alone? Because modern AI needs enormous compute power and advanced semiconductor manufacturing, skilled researchers, massive datasets, billions of dollars in sustained investment. No single nation has every advantage. Collaboration isn't optional anymore, it's the only way forward. This is exactly where India's own strategy gets interesting. Through the India AI mission, the country is investing directly in AI compute infrastructure and startup support, building own proven digital public infrastructure like UPI and ONDC. A mission built for long-term innovation, not just headlines. So what does this mean if you are a developer, a student, or a founder? More international research, collaboration, more funding, more hackathons, more real opportunity. Research, funding, growth. The future of AI won't be built by one country alone. India's partnership with Japan and Indonesia show exactly what the shared future could look like. And this may only be the beginning. What do you think? Can India become one of the world's leading AI powers? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more.